Did you know that the key to the AI revolution everyone is talking about today is in the hands of just one person? Not Elon Musk and not Mark Zuckerberg. Behind the scenes, quietly shaping the future of technology, stands one man, Jensen Huang. But here's something surprising. The world's most powerful tech billionaire didn't start in a luxury office. In fact, he once worked in a restaurant, washing dishes just to get by. Today, I'm going to share some fascinating facts about his journey, things that many people in America still don't know. When Jensen was just 9 years old, he moved from Taiwan to the United States, but because of a mistake, he was sent to a reform school instead of a regular school. Do you know what his job was there? Cleaning bathrooms every single day. He was bullied constantly by other students. It was a very tough time in his life. But that difficult experience gave him a powerful mental strength, the kind of strength that later helped him build Nvidia. Even today, he says, "There's no shame in doing hard work, because I know what it means to start from zero."
We need to talk.
Did you know that one of the world's most powerful tech companies was born in the corner of a coffee shop? In 1993, Jensen Huang and his two friends would sit for hours inside Denny's, drinking coffee and discussing their big idea. At the time, Jensen was actually working there as a waiter. And here's the surprising part. He was extremely shy. He was so nervous about speaking in front of people that even simple conversations felt difficult. But that same quiet waiter would later go on to co-found Nvidia, the company now powering the global AI revolution. Today, the man who once struggled to speak in public now stands on the biggest tech stages in the world, delivering keynote speeches that shake the entire industry. Did you know a secret about Jensen Huang? He has a huge tattoo of the Nvidia logo on his shoulder. When the company's stock price crossed $100, he kept a promise he had made to his employees and got that tattoo. It was his way of celebrating the milestone with the team that built Nvidia. And what about his iconic black leather jacket? It's not just a fashion choice. Jensen believes that spending time deciding what to wear every day is a waste of valuable minutes, minutes that could be used to change the world. Just like Steve Jobs and his famous uniform, Jensen created his own identity with that signature jacket. Today, when people look at Jensen Huang, it seems like everything came easily, but the truth is very different. Nvidia was on the verge of bankruptcy at least 3 different times. In 1996, their very first chip was a complete failure. The company was almost out of money. Jensen gathered all his employees and said, "We only have 30 days of cash left. After that, we're done." But in those final 30 days, they built a graphics card that would eventually transform the entire gaming industry. The power you see today in your PC and in modern AI comes from that same determination rising from the edge of collapse.
Behold, the future of artificial.
Jensen Huang believes that in the future, humans won't be writing code anymore. AI will write the code. And that AI will run on the chips built by Jensen. A boy who once cleaned bathrooms in a reform school has become the king of chips today. His story teaches us something powerful. It doesn't matter where you start. What truly matters is how big your vision is. Call to action. Did Jensen Huang's journey inspire you? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to discover more incredible stories of unknown heroes.